Here is Han Spud-Lo and Chew-Bake-A. Let's give them their weapons now. Guys, take cover! He's pointing his lightsaber towards you! Pew, pew, pew! Pew, pew, pew! Now, what if we switch the three of you? What? You heard me, Darth Tater. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from To Be Toys. Today we're going to unbox the Star Wars Mr. Potato Head figures. We have Han Spud-Lo and Chew-Bake-A. How cute is this? I love Mr. Potato Head, and I love when I find all these like cute new versions of him. I've actually never seen the Han Spud-Lo before, which is really weird. I've seen the ChewBakeA one, but not Han Spud-Lo. As always, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already by clicking that red subscribe button. And if you love Star Wars, then please give us a thumbs up. Here's ChewBakeA, or should I say ChewBakeA, like a baked potato. It's full of his Wookiee fur. He even has his belt over here and his Bowmaster bow weapon. Here is Han Spud-Lo. He's got his pistol. He's got his signature outfit from A New Hope. Looking good with his hair. He looks so cute. Now the best part, guys. You could totally switch them up. But I'm not going to do that in this video. Because, I mean, they look so cute the way they are, right? I don't have any friends like they do. Then they'll have to pay. Guys, take cover! He's pointing his lightsaber towards you! Pew, pew, pew! Pew, pew, pew! Your puny weapons are no match against me. Oh no, guys! He's gonna switch you! Make sure you switch us back! Well, you did it, Darth Vader. You didn't even switch them, you just took them apart. Huh, I did it. Well, guess what, Darth Vader? Joke's on you. I was gonna do it anyway. I was just seeing what you were gonna do. What? You heard me. No! Darth Tater is so crazy. I was gonna do this anyway. We have two empty spuds right now. Let's switch them up and have some fun. We got Han Spud-Lo right here. He doesn't look too bad. Kind of reminds me of Kylo Ren. But like in regular form. Let's try and make Spud-Lo. Here is Han Spud-Lo and Chew-Bake-A. Let's give them their weapons now. We'll give him the Bowmaster and give him the pistol. Looking good. That's what I was gonna do. Oh, okay, Darth Tater, whatever you say. Why are you so full of anger? I don't have friends like them. They're best pals. Let's just switch you guys back to normal and we'll just take a closer look of you. You know what, let's leave this on. Take this part off because it's super easy just to switch them. Okay, Han Spud-Lo is back. His ears are wonky. Let's fix that. And let's put on ChewBakeA's belt. What a super easy switch. Back to normal, you guys. Looking good, looking good. Head to toe, it looks awesome. They each come with their own little area to put their accessories in. This is all they come with though. It's 12 accessories for Han Spud-Lo, and you got 12 accessories for ChewBakeA. Now, what if we switch the three of you? What? You heard me, Darth Tater. I don't want to be switched. Too bad. Let's take him apart. Doesn't he look good? He has got his lightsaber. He's got his little control panel over here. He's got his face mask that helps him breathe. We're gonna take it apart. Too bad. Ah! He's even got some extra accessories back here. We don't need those. Take it off. Oh, I'm a shell of a man. The transformation is complete. We have Darth Lo, Spud-Tater, and Chew-Tater. Wasn't this fun, guys? They're all mixed up, but the video's not over yet. What? No, it's not. Let's switch them back to normal, and we're going to introduce Darth Vader to somebody he can always be friends with. Now that we have everybody back to normal. Thank you. You're welcome, Darth Tater. Well, we're gonna go now. This was fun. Thanks for switching us over and over and over again. Well, that's what we were supposed to do with them, Han Spud-Lo and ChewBakeA. This isn't fair. I don't have any friends. Where'd that garbage come from? I don't care. I need something to kick. Whoa, look at all this trash in here. We gotta put this back up. No, don't. It's not trash. What is it then? You'll see. Oh, guys, I think that's our cue. No, please stay here with me. I just want to see what he's gonna do, and I want some backup. All right, you got it.
Rise, Lord Forky.
I was made for deep-fried Nuna legs, roasted pork, or thalassyra on milk.
Wait, where are you going? I'm out of here. Wait, don't go anywhere. No. Don't go anywhere. I knew that wouldn't last long. Whoa. Wait, come back. Come back. Please, come back. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already by clicking that red subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below if you like Darth Forky. And don't forget to watch our how-to video on how to make your own Darth Forky. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. I don't belong here. I'm not a Dark Lord. Ah! Nobody ever wants to be with me.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.